wanna play me DJ. I wanna rap it. Play my blood clot DJ. Come and shut up selector boy.
What's good? Hey, this back with another banger, guys. Yo, you see what we're doing today? Yeah, man, where they are? We are continuing the vibes. Castella Jah Jah link up again. Yes, well, we just did the Castella Jah Jah feature. That one was Send Them Home. Yes, I mean, that was requested by Big Dread. You know what I'm saying? This one was this was also requested by Big Dread, the artist. You know, this one Castella Jah Jah, the one entitled Risk Takers, man. Yeah, man, I'm vibing with Castella and Jah Jah. They got a real dope vibe, man. They collab pretty well together. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, I'm enjoying their music, and I'm just interested to see what else they got out there. So we're reacting to more of their music. Yeah, man. So definitely drop in the comment section what you want me to react to next and all that stuff, and I'll get it done. But yeah, man, Castella and Jah Jah make a good duo when they collab. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, Send Them Home was a dope track. Also, the one they did with Plumpy Boss, We Now Wait, also was a dope track. So I was just interested to hear more from them. You know what I'm saying? And then apparently Risk Takers is a dope track from them. So people want me to react to this one as well. And we're gonna check it out, man. I don't know. We enjoy with Trini artists them over here. So you see me, we just love with dancehall music, with Caribbean music, and we like reacting and vibing, man. So it's really dope. Someone see what my dog them deal with. You see me, last one they link up and you know, man, they man say, yo, they man send home the apps them, you know. You see me? Yeah, man, they man send them back to the maker, man. Send them back to God, you know what I'm saying? You see me, man, this up pack, I don't know who that is, so y'all need to drop in the comment section, put me on, let me know who that is. You see me, with that artist that they dissing and all that stuff, man. I say you don't play with 17. You see me, and say, cause yo 17 I don't play a thing. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, say, yo, what your dog say? Walk out with his 6 pants, make C6 lie down in a blood clot. Lie down in the road like manure, all type of shit. Yeah, man, the boys was going crazy. And they was all singing smooth, like they singing on some nice R&B tracks. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, so yeah, man, we just jump in and check out the one here as well, guys. You don't know, hit the like and subscribe button. You see me? If you enjoy the video, if you're new, hit the definitely the subscribe button. But yeah, man, I check out the one here. Castella and Jah Jah Risk Takers. Let's get it. Alright. Risk Takers. Yeah, man. You don't know in a life, you know, when you're young, you have to take the risk, them, you know. You see me? And go for your junior, you know, no cap. Let's get it. Very hard. I mean, man, I empty out the duffel dog. Be a blood club, hey, be a money and job, come on.
Roll with the Risk Takers. Send the money through PayPal.
Yeah.
Come on, niggas do pay fraud. We make a girl deep through them job draws. All my dog them need the dollars. We take risks for a family to live proper. Pretty girl come around with a big bumper. Cause we young and fresh, no man at all.
Man, say I roll with the Risk Takers. You see me? Cause we are make paper. You know what I'm saying? You gotta get the money. What me just say at the beginning? Yeah, man, you have to make the risk, man. Take the risk and go get the cash. And yeah, go for money. Yo, the Trini goals is ridiculous, bro. No cap. Look at the man chain, bro. Trini goal is crazy. Jah Jah. Come on, let's get it.
From me have money, girl, I go pulling like magnet. Check the flick on my damn neck. When the dog make step, girl, pussy get wet for the dark chocolate, the more of sex.
Say, yo, friend, you have money, girl, I go pull in like magnet. I want to check me down. That's a big fact, yo.
Cause anytime me talk rolling, yo, we mass up. Two bitch in the back seat, cup in the ass. And tell a boy me see a dog, don't get no gas up. Them never know, say the BGS no soft up. Roll with the Risk Takers. Send the money through PayPal. Full of bands. Come on, niggas do pay fraud.
Roll with the Risk Takers. Send the money through PayPal. Full of bands. Come me dog them. Hey, tear man, dog. They live in the fraud, man. The man, scam and Trinity. I'm told you, I think I joke.
Make a girl deep through them job draws. All my dog them need the dollars. We take risks for a family to live proper. Pretty girl come around with a big bumper. Cause we young and fresh, no man a top shotter. Yeah. Me keep a low profile, Ben.
We are Risk Takers because we need the dollars for our family to live proper. No apology, man. You see me? No apology. We gon' chop blood clot, man. I'm gonna take these motherfuckers for their blood clean money.
Working on the craft and try new style. BGS pass through the old place. Get wild, get broke, shake the crowd after party tonight. We put in the work, now we trending. We a carry money, pussy, we no carry feelings. Bad freaks, smoke pop, no ship on.
Man said put in the work, now we trending. We get money that we not carry feelings. Fact, we gonna put in the work till, you see me? Jambisco Dan, we trending over this motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? It won't be the biggest reaction champ on this YouTube thing. The vibes over here is unmatched. The energy, you don't know this already. You see me? Just go and put in the work, man. You know what I'm saying? To happy up.
Cloud 9 said she take no jokes, no ride, one by. We live the maddest life, gun pa my hip side. We no keep it inside. BGS rule tonight, we no roll with fright. Told some man, me nah deal with them polite. Easy with me.
Hey guys, man, what is BGS? Cause I know GBG's Get Back Gang. So what is BGS, guys? Put me on. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I know they got GBG, which is the Get Back Gang. But who's BGS? The man say, yo, I live the maddest life. Gun pa my side, we not keep it inside. I want to tell you, man, yo, man, them out, man, make their money and live their life.
Take some dopey life waste, bury them so them can get replaced. Body on the ground, Mara go levitate. Send her in farm after me the heaven gate. BGS, roll with the wrist.
Man say bury them slow. They not getting a chance to replace. Body punk grown also. While he stole a race to blood please. No bank. Send the money through PayPal. Full of bank. Come on niggas do pay fraud. And make a girl deep through them drop draws. All my dog them need the dollars. We take risks for a family to live papa. Pretty girl come around with a big bumper. Cause we young and fresh, no man a top shotter. Yes, you know man. Yo, these look like this was younger in their career. This was early in their career, guys. Let me know. Put me on. Yeah, man, this look like they was younger in this one, man. This was like early their career type stuff, you know what I'm saying? But it's a vibe.
My dogs, them grimy, you know we have a fresh if my buck your girl, then she coming with the BGS. Anywhere we go, we must.
There you go again, BGS. Who's BGS? Everybody knows so all I'm fresh with a girl, see them on road with the BGS. Who's BGS, man? Let me get it.
On the spaceship and we style them never basic.
Style them never basic. Arm to them. Room. Easy, no, man. I've come at Trini in a dark. I've come at Trini, man. For some Trini girl and the Trini gold and the Trini money and the Trini every food and everything and that blows and skirt, man. We come on, we are forward, yeah. Easy, no? Yeah, I mean. Castella Jah Jah doing their thing, man. Yeah, the dope track, man. What y'all think about that one? You feel me? Let me know in the comment section, man. I love it. I love reacting to Trini music. You know what I'm saying? I just love reacting to dancehall, period. No matter what island they're from. You know what I'm saying? But that's a dope track, though. You see me? That's Castella Jah Jah, Risk Takers. You see me? Castella Jah Jah, they make a great duo, man. Do they make? I'm pretty sure they make separate music. I don't like, yo. Is there like a little duo, you know what I'm saying? Little group. Yeah, man. But that was a dope track by Castella Jah Jah. That's Risk Takers, man. You know what I'm saying? Man, say, yo. We're chilling with the risk takers. Yeah, just sending money through PayPal. I want to them. You see me? Cause yo, we need the money that we take risks to make for the dollars. Cause we family need for blood clot live proper. You see me? The BGS gang now play. Man, them say they stay fresh and clean. If a girl see they want to come with the BGS. But yeah, man, guys, let me know what BGS stand for, guys. You know what I'm saying in the comment section. Let me know more about Castella Jah Jah. You see me what they got going on, you know, the career music that I should react to and listen to. Put me on, you already know. Yeah, man, and put me on the 7 and the 6 and all that stuff in Trinity. You see me, put me on to the music, up and coming artists that I haven't heard before. All that stuff, you know what I'm saying? Underground artists that's on the rise. All that stuff, man. You know I fuck with the music. You see me, I fuck with the culture. You see me, so we growing, man. I appreciate y'all, man. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section. If you like it, definitely go show the artist some love and support. Make you know that Jambisco and Senior, man. Real dope track. Dog, them doing them thing. You see me? So just keep it up, guys. You see me? I say keep it up and keep it moving, keep it going. You know what I'm saying? Shoot for the stars. Don't stop. And we're going there for every moment of the career. If you check it out and you see me? To go on. So guys, if you like that, definitely go show the artist some love and support. Make you know that Jambisco and Senior. Drop in the comment section what was your favorite part. Beat lyrics, melody, all that stuff. You see me? And let's get a discussion going. Let me know where you're watching from. Drop your flag emojis, all that stuff. You see me? Yeah, man. Castella Jah Jah, real dope track, guys. Till next time, you don't know your boy Jambisco. You're another banger. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And I'm out.